If you are currently looking for a way to earn money online, I will advise you to watch the video to the end, as I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to earn money using ChatGPT and Canva with just your mobile phone. According to Showblade, this particular channel actually earned between $400 to over $6,000 by using ChatGPT and Canva to actually earn money online. And if you should come to this particular section right now, once you come to this particular site and click on this wallet section right now, once you click on this wallet section right now and click on this payment, once you click on this payment, watch closely guys, all you need to do is actually allow it to load. Immediately after loading, click on these more options. Once you click on these more options, click on this withdraw balance. Once you click on this withdraw balance, the next thing you need to do is to actually put the amount which you want to withdraw right here. Once you actually put the amount which you want to withdraw right here, you will click on withdraw, and I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to earn money on this particular platform and how you can also start earning money on this particular platform. But before we get started, you need to understand that this video is actually for educational purpose only, and I'm not advising you to make any financial decisions based on this video. I'm only sharing my personal experience. But before we get started, the first thing I want you to do right now for me is to help me to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll be glad to share more updates like this with you again. All you need to do right now is to actually go right now and click on Canva. Once you click on Canva, you actually allow it to load. Immediately after loading, all you need to do right now is actually go to Canva and search for quiz video. Search for quiz video. Once search for quiz video, just allow it to load. Just allow it to. You can see that it's actually loading right now. The next thing you need to do right now is actually go on right now and scroll down right now. Scroll down to this particular section. You'll be able to see different quiz video, and you'll be able to. This is one of the easiest way to actually earn money online by using all this quiz video to actually earn money using different social media platforms. And I'm going to be sharing with you how you actually be able to earn money with it, apart from using social media like YouTube. Okay. And according to Showblade, this particular channel actually earns between $400 to over $6,000 every single month on this particular channel, and in the and a yearly estimate they actually earn up to over $4,000 to up to $76,000 yearly on this particular channel by posting just quiz video on their channel right here. And if you also go back right now to Canva right now, let's go back to Canva right now. If you come back to Canva, let me actually share with you how they actually make this particular video and how you too can also start making this particular video and be able to earn money with it. Apart from YouTube monetization, you can also earn money with it using some affiliate products, okay, by promoting some affiliate link on that particular video. And I'm going to be sharing with you easiest way to actually make money with it. Okay, all you need to do right now is to actually come right here. Just look for any of the quiz video which you actually prefer, just right here, and click on any of the design which you actually prefer. Okay, let's click on this particular one right now. Once you choose this particular one, all you need to do is actually allow it to load. You need to come down, allow it to load, and you'll be able to see the design. Okay, you can see this is one of the quiz video. You can easily edit this particular quiz video and be able to use it. You can see, let's play it first. You can see this is actually the question and the option. You can see this is question and the options. You can see this is answer. You can see it right there. It is actually very simple. It will show you the question, and at the end of it, it will actually give you time to actually answer it. Okay, if you do not answer within a specific period of time, it will show you the answer before the end of this video. Okay, this is, and I'm going to be, let me share with you. Okay, if you want to design it right now, you just need to go on right now and copy the question right. I'm going to be sharing with how you'll be able to get the question. Okay, you will put the question right here, and you'll be able to change any of these answers. Okay, you're going to be changing any of these answers, and we are going to be using ChatGPT to actually get the questions, and the editing will be able to be we are going to be using Canva to actually do the editing. The next thing you need to do is go to ChatGPT right now and actually allow it to load. Once you come to ChatGPT, I will be using the prompt which I will be using in this particular video in the description of this video so that anyone can easily use it. Enter this particular prompt right now. Paste this particular prompt. I don't need to allow it to load. You can see this is actually the prompt. This is the prompt. Create 10 quiz question in this format. Okay, a short and catchy title at the top, like quiz time or brain boosts. A main question, simple, clear and interesting. Okay, this is how it is going to look. You don't need to allow it to load. You can see brain boost. You can see this is actually the question, the first question. Okay, the option, this is at the options, and this is the correct answer. You can see ChatGPT is actually giving it to us, and it is also giving us answer. All we don't need to do is to actually go on. We can go on and start copying the question one after another and be going to ChatGPT. Okay, we can go on right now and copy the first question. Let's copy the first question right now. We copy the first question. Okay, we go to chat, or we go back to Canva. Once you come to Canva, go on right now. Okay, go back right now. Okay, go back right now. Go to edit, and change this. We are changing this text. Okay, you can see the question right now. The planet known as the red planet, that is the question. Okay, we are going to be going back to ChatGPT right now to actually copy the options, right, one after another. Okay, we go back to, okay, we come right here and copy it. You can see what planet is known as the red planet. Okay, we copy the first option, which is Venus. Okay, we put the first, we change the first option. Okay, let's change it right here. Okay, which is A. We put brackets and we put it Venus. Okay, you go on right now to the second one. You go on right now. That is how you are going to edit it. The second one, you go on right now to edit the second one. Let me quickly edit it. And immediately after the editing, all you don't need to do right now is actually go on right now and play it. You can see we have successfully changed the options right now. You can see the question is, the planet known as the red planet is known as what? Is it Venus? Is it Mars? Is it Jupiter? You just need to go on right now and change it. And after changing it, you just need to also allow it to load so that you'll be able to change the answer also. You can see we have not changed this second one also. You need to actually change this particular one also. After changing it, you just need to go on right now and click on save for you to be able to save this particular video right now and upload it on YouTube, or you can also upload it on TikTok or also on Instagram also. I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to actually monetize this particular video. Okay, if you should go back right now to ChatGPT right now, you'll be able to see different options also. You can go on right now and copy another question. You can see this particular question: who played the character of Iron Man in the Marvel movie? You can see these are some questions which we are going to be using to actually replace those options and the questions on ChatGPT. It is actually very simple to actually earn money using ChatGPT and Canva using this particular process. And I'm going to be sharing with you the second method, which actually pay more higher than this particular method, which I'm actually sharing with you right now. And to actually earn money with this particular method, all we don't need to do right now is to actually come. If you come right here to this particular channel right there, if you check most of their videos description, you'll be able to see that they have some affiliate link in the video description. Include your affiliate link in that particular section. You will see a lot of audience that are interested in quiz, or most especially students will be participating or joining your clicking your affiliate link, so and you'll be able to be earning money by doing all those. And the second way to actually earn money using Canva and ChatGPT is actually to start a clothing store business, and I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to start it with Canva. Okay, all you don't need to do is to come to Canva right now and search for t-shirt. Okay, let's search for t-shirt template. If you come to Canva and search for t-shirt template, you'll be able to see different template on Canva. Okay, or different template. You can see different template on Canva. All you just need to do is to go to some print on demand store online. Okay, let's go to one of the print on demand store. Come to this website known as Printify. Once you come to this particular website, you'll be able to see create and sell custom product by customizing your own product on Canva, your own clothing. You'll be able to sell it on this particular platform right there for free. All you need to do is to click on get started for free. Once you click on get started, you'll be able to see, you can start with zero investment, and you'll be able to earn by customizing your own clothing product and sell on this particular platform right there. And you can see different designs which you can also replicate on this particular platform, and you'll be able to market it using this particular platform right here. And apart from using Printify, another platform which you can also use to actually market your print on demand product, which is your clothing, your t-shirt online, is this particular platform known as Red Bull. Red Bull is another popular platform also. You can see this particular one. This the person that designed this one is selling for $17.12. Okay, and this particular one is going for $20.44, and this particular cloth is going for $23.50, and they are marketing it massively on this particular platform, and they are earning lot of money on this particular platform. I have been using this particular platform to actually earn money using for up to 2 years now, to actually market it, and I actually design those clothes using Canva. Okay, once I design using Canva, I upload it on this particular platform, or I get some design on this particular platform, or I design my own unique style using Canva and come back to this particular platform to actually market it. Okay, and it's very easy to actually market or to actually use Canva to design any clothes. You can come to this particular section right now. Let's say you want to make use of this particular design. Okay, you don't want to download the clothes on any of those platforms. Download a plain t-shirt. on any of those platforms. Once you download it, click on this one. Let me say you want to use this particular design right now. You just need to click on it. Once you click on it, the next thing you need to do is to actually design the either the what you want to write on it. Like this particular one is don't the right don't quit, okay, don't quit, okay, yourself on top of it. You just need to go on right now and edit it. You can see, just click on it and edit it with just your mobile phone. After the editing, you place it on the clothes, on the plain t-shirt. After placing it, you can place it on any part of the t-shirt. After placing it, go to any of those platforms which I just recommend right now, either Printify or the other second platform, and upload it. Okay, once you upload it on the platform, you can even use Redbook, but I mostly recommend Printify, okay, because I have been using that particular platform to actually earn for a long period of time, and it's actually very beginner friendly to actually use that particular platform, and it is also very easy to actually use. Okay, you can see other people selling their own product on this particular platform right there. You can see after registering on Printify, this is how the interface is going to look like. Okay, if you click on this particular section right now, once you click on this particular section, for you to be able to withdraw your earning from this website, okay, all you want to do is click on this wallet section right now. This is where you are going to see some order which people actually place from this particular platform. Okay, you can click on this withdraw section right now. Once you click on this withdraw section right now, click on this payment. Once you click on this payment, if you want to withdraw your earning, this is where you are going to withdraw your earning, which is what I'm showing you right now. Click on this more options. Once you click on this more options, click on this withdraw balance. Once you click on this withdraw balance, put the amount which you want to withdraw right there. You can see I have already withdrawn my own earning from this particular platform. Put the amount which you want to withdraw right there and click on this confirm withdrawal, and you'll be able to withdraw your earning from this particular platform. And you can go on also and click on this section right now and be able to do any other setup which you prefer to do on this section right now. You can see your order. This is where you're going to see your order, and this is where you're going to see your insights. Okay, if people are actually visiting your own store on this particular platform or not, this is where you are going to see it on this particular section. If you have any question, you are free to drop it in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.